Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this top of the line PHEV in Canada is NOIR edition. So this one here is top of the line, fully loaded, has all the options, and wow, it's great equipped. We'll cover visual, we'll cover interior. This one has massage seats, has head-up display, Bose upgraded sound system, and much more. And visually it also looks like this from the factory, with the exception of this side molding, which we're gonna have a closer look as well. Otherwise, everything that you see here is factory looks, and NOIR, I gotta say, at least for me with PHEV, is the way to go. Couple of color schemes that we can get everything in full graphite gray, and we can get it like this, graphite gray with black roof, and it also can be full black, so gives you some choice here. I'm really big fan of this graphite gray with black roof option, because once we kind of look at from the side here, we can see how you know, this graphite gray is a very nice shade of color in itself, and then the way it plays together with these black elements like the wheels, these AB pillars, and then the roof itself looks really cool. And then this part normally would be chrome on the Outlander, but it's not even like full black. It's almost like this again, like a graphite gray, nice shiny gray, and we have these NOIR badges. Very cool looking vehicle. Absolutely love it. Look at the wheels. So they're the same wheels that the top of the line Outlanders have, and the SELs, but they're painted black from the factory. In the previous years, I did a lot of blackouts because we did not have these NOIR editions from the factory. I did a lot of wheel painting, chrome deletes, and now I'm very happy that you can get this from factory with Mitsubishi, and you don't have to do any customizations. You just select the trim level that you want, and you're good to go. Even the mirror caps are black, so I really like this graphite gray for that reason, because you have sort of unified looks on it, and then you have these black elements that do stand out a little bit more. By the way, here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we have construction sale going on. Just want to very quickly show you what's going on. All manager demos at cost. We have artists right now doing the lettering. Is going to look really cool. Good times here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. So if you're local here, please join us. Come for a test drive. You can test drive this or any other vehicle. So this one here we just set up as a manager demo, so that's why we have a special plate on it. And let's get going. So let's have a look at the front as a visual on the NOIR edition. This Outlander hood emblem also is already how they come shipped to the store here. And then we have these cross chrome elements on the grille deleted, dynamic shield is deleted, and this lower bumper part is gloss black. I really like that it's nice and gloss black, and then that again just, like, you know, gives you this subtle contrast, but you have this you know, black edition vibes for the vehicle. Absolutely love it. From the side point of view, again, we can see these you know, black 20-inch wheels, and we have roof rails that are black, and of course the black roof option right here, and NOIR badging. This almost graphite gray looking thing around the windows where it normally would be chrome. So the back, again, we have this lower bumper part that is you know, like gloss painted, so silver would be otherwise if you'd go with just the regular Outlander. So the side molding, these side moldings, by the way, you can order from Tri-City, from Mr. Mitsubishi.ca. It's my website, so you can order them. I can ship a lot of them anywhere to Canada, US, Australia. Some even went to Europe. So these ones here says PHEV. There's other kind that says Outlander. Both of them are great. And again, just this little subtle chrome line makes the vehicle pop up really nicely. The only thing I wish Mitsubishi would done different with this plug-in hybrid badge, I think that should have been somehow blacked out as well. Now let's have a look at the interior. And this is how we're looking. We have nice black interior. So this trim level is based on in Canada on the GTP trim level. So there's GTP has this different kind of seat stitching, but with this orange inserts, and on NOIR edition you have same kind of, like, you know, design pattern, but the stitching and that orange thing is gone. So there's only you know, we can see the black elements, and we have the dark gray stitching. So that again just helps out the vehicle to stand out a bit. Nice, good door design. We can see how we have here 2 memory positions for driver, 2 for the passenger. That's a big one as well. And we have nice LED ambient light, so that we can really see at the nighttime when the lights are out. And very important, Noir edition will have massage seats. You can activate it with this button right here, or there's a way to activate it through that screen as well. I'll show you in a second. So many ways you can adjust your seat. Also lumbar adjustments. So there's a few people who pay attention to those things. They might have like some back pain or whatever, and then they want to adjust a certain way so they don't get tired when they drive the vehicle all the time. We are in winter time, so a couple options are important. Is heated seats, heated steering wheel. Everybody loves that. Entire steering wheel all around is heated. Very important to have that. And then here we have this secondary screen, and we can see how we have the camera function. This one, by the way, has front camera, front sensors, and has rear parking sensors as well. So no matter which direction you go, it'll beep, it'll warn you, it'll provide you very nice, good, clear screen. So menu button right here, and this is where we can through settings we can also find the seat massage right here. So we have a few options here. We can switch it on, and then we can go through relaxing, lumbar, and refreshing. And here we adjust the intensity and speed. I really like these massage seats. I use them a lot whenever I drive the GTP or the Noir. Absolutely love it. Highly recommended. If you're deciding between trim levels, massage seats should be the thing that tips you over to this trim level. Very, very nice. This shifter right here, just wanted to mention because I do get quite a bit in comments asking if you can change this while you drive. The answer is yes. So it always defaults to this normal drive, but then you can switch it to whatever the drive you want. So you can see how it goes from normal. If you scroll one way, goes to eco to power, and then all the way down to snow and mud on the other side. So you can change that on the drive, no issues there. Then we have these 2 buttons. So this one is the innovative pedal, and this one is the EV drive selector. So you can select EV mode, normal, EV, save, and charge. So there's few ways how you can operate the battery. And this screen, by the way, you can have it 2 ways. You can have this classic looks, or you go like this, change the meter view, and this is going to push aside. Now you have this enhanced look, and now we can browse through settings, and you can see different kind of like, this is my favorite one always. So I want to see how the battery is doing. I really like this graphic. When you press the brake pedal, it also shows you when the brake is applied. Really, really cool. Like it a lot. This one has head-up display as well, so it can turn on and off with this button right here. So this button is for the head-up display. Again, sometimes some viewers, they bought this vehicle and they had absolutely no idea that they have head-up display. So there we go. You have it right here, shows you the speed, and then there's a lot of different things you can have on that head-up display, like speed, and then if you use it with your maps, then it'll show you these arrows which way to drive, and it's all in color, and it picks up street names, street signs, and so much more. So it's really, really cool. Of course, top of the line also has this My Pilot system. So I made a very detailed video on it. If you want to know how it works, check out my YouTube channel, and you just search up My Pilot, and it'll jump out right there. And the vehicle keeps you in a lane, drives you straight, and it's a very good system to have and to test. So check that out on my channel. I think you're gonna like it. So I put in neutral by accident, so there we go. This is also, by the way, where it shows the EV range. Now the second row, couple cool things about the second row. Number one, we have this privacy extra cover, or also if it's summertime, you want to just prevent a little bit sunlight coming through the vehicle. That helps for that as well. This is how the seat looks. We have adjusting options here, It's seated heated seats as well, and we can also adjust our own climate settings right here. So even the heated seats in the back, that's such a luxury feature that the vehicle has. And this is how it looks from the second row. I always say my favorite place in the vehicle is the second row, because you know, you can see how everything looks. And you know, this Outlander, we can see it looks really cool. I like these horizontal lines on design, and you have the feeling that you're in a nice proper SUV. Like it a lot. Okay, let's have a look at the trunk. Okay, we don't have lots of room. Let's try to open it with a kick motion. Okay, it worked. I absolutely love the kick motion activation, and we can see how messy trunks can be. So we have here a set of floor mats. So these floor mats come from the factory like that. We have the cargo cover, and we have the third row seat, which can be folded down, moved up, whatever we want to do. We can have this seat in many ways. Also comes with a charger from the factory in the bag like this. So just a regular charger that you can plug it in anywhere, and you can charge up the vehicle like that. So okay, let's close it down. Kick motion activation on the tailgate is a game changer. Once you have it, you cannot go back to any other way how to open and close it, especially when you go grocery shopping, pick up your like boxes or bags or anything like that. That is a true game changer. So there we go. I just wanted to show you the key very quickly. So this is how the key looks. I kind of wish that NOIR might maybe have different key fobs, so it looks a little bit different, but you know what, we won't be too picky. So there we go. We just checked out this 2025 Outlander PHEV NOIR edition. It's a Canadian spec here, top of the line. Nice exterior, super cool interior, awesome features. Can't wait to see you here for a test drive. So there we go. Thank you so much for checking this out. See you next time around.